That wraps up my hands-on testing. Whether you need a compact travel steamer, a heavy-duty turbo press, or a large-capacity home option, one of these 5 steamers will keep your clothes looking fresh and wrinkle-free. Check out the links in the description below for current prices and deals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Product number 1. Butyral Foldable Handheld Garment Steamer. When I held the Butyral steamer in my hand, the compact folding design and smooth matte finish felt sturdy and lightweight. The collapsible handle snaps firmly into place, making it super easy to pack into a suitcase or slip into a crowded closet shelf without taking up extra space. During my testing, it heated up in under 30 seconds, pumping out a dense, steady plume of continuous steam that erased deep creases from my cotton dress shirts in a single pass. The detachable water tank refilled easily at the sink without leaking drops down the handle, and the auto-off safety feature gave me total peace of mind when I set it down to rehang a garment. My favorite part was the leak-proof seal. I used it both vertically on hanging blazers and horizontally across a bedspread, and it didn't spit a single drop of hot water onto the fabric. The included fabric brush attachment swept away lint while opening up heavy linen weaves for deeper steam penetration. If you travel often or need a fast, reliable steamer for quick morning.
Product number 2. Conair Turbo Extreme Steam Handheld Fabric Steamer. Holding the Conair Turbo Extreme Steam Steamer, the ergonomic handle and weighted base felt substantial, like a professional appliance built for serious ironing tasks. The dual-slotted aluminum sole plate acts like a mini iron, pressing against collar edges and sleeve cuffs to give them sharp, crisp edges while steaming. During my performance testing, the turbo mode blasted high-velocity steam that cut straight through heavy denim jeans and thick winter coats without requiring multiple slow passes. The multi-setting control pad on top allowed me to dial down the temperature instantly when switching over to delicate silk blouses or synthetic ties. I noticed how quickly the steam penetrated layered fabrics, relaxing stubborn wrinkles in seconds while sanitizing the material at the same time. The large water reservoir gave me enough runtime to steam through 5 full outfits before needing a quick refill at the tap. The built-in creaser attachment made putting sharp lines in dress pants feel completely effortless. If you want maximum steam output and iron-like pressing power without pulling out a full-sized ironing board, grab this Conair unit.
Product number 3. Conair Extreme Steam Handheld Fabric Steamer, Champagne. Unboxing this Champagne Edition Conair Extreme Steam, the sleek metallic finish and comfortable grip felt stylish and comfortable in my hands. The balanced weight distribution means your wrist won't feel tired even if you are steaming a whole rack of freshly laundered curtains or dresses. During my testing sessions, the dual heat system produced extremely hot steam that flattened deep wrinkles instantly while neutralizing stale odors from jacket linings. The illuminated power button lets you know exact heating status, taking under a minute to reach full operational temperature. I loved the silicone band attachment, which holds fabrics taut while you steam, so wrinkles pull out smoothly with minimal effort. The continuous lock switch allowed me to keep steam flowing without holding down a trigger continuously, saving my hand from cramps during longer sessions. The wide steam head covers plenty of surface area per pass, making quick work of large cotton tablecloths and bed skirts. If you want a stylish, high-heat performer that handles delicate garments and heavy drapery with ease, this steamer is worth every penny.
Product number 4. Steamer for Clothes Handheld Portable Garment Steamer. When I picked up this compact handheld steamer, the streamlined cylindrical body and ultra-lightweight frame felt effortless to hold and maneuver. The minimalist design makes it a breeze to pack into carry-on luggage, taking up minimal room alongside your shoes and toiletries. During testing, the rapid heating element generated impressive steam pressure in just 25 seconds, letting me smooth out wrinkled linen shirts right inside a hotel room. The clear water reservoir allows you to monitor remaining water levels at a glance, so you never run the pump completely dry. I noticed the nozzle design produced a focused steam stream that worked miracles on tricky areas like button plackets, collar corners, and ruffled sleeves. The extra-long power cord provided plenty of slack,
letting me reach hanging garments across the room without needing an extension cord. Its auto shutoff feature kicks in automatically if the unit gets too hot or runs out of water, keeping safety front and center. If you need an affordable, lightweight travel companion that punches above its weight class, this option is a great pick.
Product number 5, OG Home Handheld Clothing Steamer. Grabbing the OG Home Handheld Steamer, the clear water chamber and rugged handle design felt solid, practical, and built for daily household use. The wide fill opening at the top made filling it from the faucet completely mess-free, without requiring tiny funnels or extra measuring cups. During my testing, the high-capacity tank delivered over 15 minutes of continuous steam time, allowing me to de-wrinkle multiple shirts, pants, and jackets in a single session. The stainless steel heating panel distribution plate glided smoothly over synthetic blends and heavy cottons without snagging or scorching delicate fibers. My favorite feature was how consistent the steam pressure remained even as the water level dropped, ensuring every item got the same wrinkle erasing power. The compact body sits upright on flat surfaces without tipping over, making it easy to rest safely between garments. It is incredibly easy to clean out, preventing mineral buildup over time with a simple vinegar rinse. If you want a budget-friendly workhorse with a large water capacity for everyday home touch-ups, this steamer gets the job done right. That wraps up my hands-on testing. Whether you need a compact travel steamer, a heavy-duty turbo press, or a large-capacity home option, one of these 5 steamers will keep your clothes looking fresh and wrinkle-free. Check out the links in the description below for current prices and deals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.